Wait, huh? What's the e.message? What's the
The,
exception
that
message?
the exception message is like cannot pass the JSON because that's what it's doing from JSON.
Should we be worried?
No, you shouldn't be worried. We need many. We don't need many because this isn't going to happen again. This is going to be different to the Liars Bar dev stream. Okay, we were going to get it to work immediately because I don't have to do any dev this time because it should all work.
Also, for your information, if your port is occupied, it cannot be occupied by something that's listening, or like connecting to the port. Only something that's listening on the port.
Yes, you're right.
So it cannot be occupied by the mod. That's
No,
what
but
I'm
the
saying.
mod is holding it up.
No,
Okay,
because the mod is the client. Only a WebSocket server can.
you're right.
hold the
You're
port.
right. But
Yeah.
the server is not closing until the clients leave.
My money's on over an hour.
It's not going to be over an hour. Okay.
Okay.
Right? And I've got a lot of money, Vedal. Wanna bet?
Yeah, I will have. Oh god, I actually don't know.
Fear the unknown. What you do know is that you have duct tape.
Anyway, no, I'm just here to respectfully say there's a small issue. That's all.
There is no way
Okay,
that I am
okay.
sending you.
We do this
I'm
every
looking at
time,
it.
every single time, and then we're like, oh, actually, oh, it was,
Okay,
there was a
okay,
small
hold on.
issue.
There's only one way. There's only one way that I could actually be sending you.
Sure.
All right, this is my code. This is my code.
All right, let's have a look.
So the
He showed
only
in
way.
his code he really just did that. Chat, what do you think? Are they going to solve it?
It's clearly
Okay,
JSON.stringify.
Okay, what
clearly.
are? It would be incredibly
Yeah,
mind-numbing
really
if
embarrassing if they
JSON.stringify returned the string value cannot be null.
I'm gonna
You're
look
going
up.
to be-
It would be. I'm gonna look if that's a thing.
My money is still on over an hour.
Value cannot be null error when deserializing JSON using C#. Does that sound like something you're doing?
I'm not using C#, bro. I'm using GD script.
Yeah, that's gonna be a wrapper over C#, right?
Is it a Godot thing?
Is it a good outgoing wrapper?
What's a C# thing? I don't know. But what's a Godot script even gonna be running under the hood? You know?
A C++?
What?
Yeah, it's a C++ engine.
It's definitely using a wrapper then. Just admit that there's something you're not handling that I'm sending to you properly.
I mean, like,
Also, if I was serializing null, right, into JSON, that would just return null, because that's valid JSON. It would not return value cannot be null. Also, the parameter isn't even called value, it's called data.
Are you sure it's JSON then?
I see what you're saying, but how the fuck is this my problem? You know?
Can you just log the JSON string you receive?
That's the JSON string I receive is value cannot be null. That's me logging it. I'm logging message, error
From
processing
me?
message. Yes, I'm receiving value cannot be null from you. I'm not getting any JSON.
You see, I showed you my code.
I don't know.
There's just no way.
Okay, I'm kind of with you, but I was so confused. Why am I seeing that? Let me just test, like,
Are you sure